Wow. Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday? Yeah? Wednesday the 15th of April, and I thought I'd kind of just film a day in my life vlog during ISO. It's 8:30. I've just been hanging around in bed, watching stuff on my phone. I've had a coffee, and yeah, not much has happened. I've got a couple of things I know I need to do today, but other than that, like, I'm just gonna be chilling. But I thought it'd be interesting just to film a day in my life of what I'm doing to keep myself busy, which is not much. Unfortunately, it's an absolutely rainy, gloomy day, and I think it's meant to be like this all day. So I can't even like go for my daily walk to the beach, so that sucks. But yeah, I am gonna do a workout because I'm doing a kind of like a 2-week challenge, which there'll be another video about at a later date. And yeah, I just wanted to say hey. Good morning.
Right now in Shearwater it's 14 degrees with rain. Tonight it'll be rainy with a forecasted high of 16 and a low of 13.
Alright, now that I've done my quick tidy, I like to do that every single morning just because sometimes I do it overnight before I go to bed, but most of the time I'm too lazy to do that. So I do it first thing of the morning, just do the dishes, do a quick tidy. Hello, you decided to get out of bed? Did ya? Good dog. I think I'm gonna make breakfast, and because I've got all the time in the world and a really overripe banana, I think I'm gonna make pancakes. Because I've also got strawberries and maple syrup, so I mean, you know. And then I do have to attempt to start the fire. So far, I have had no success in trying to start the fire, but it's really cold today, so I think today is just gonna have to be the day that I don't give up after several attempts. So it's now 10:15. I'm still in this hoodie. Yes, I know. But I've just been watching some YouTube videos, and I was actually downloading some Lightroom presets just because I finally decided that I wanted to buy some and play around with them. So I did that. But one of the things I really want to do today is make some cookies because why not? So I'm just going to try and find a recipe on Pinterest, and then unfortunately I do need to go to the supermarket today because I've just used the last of my soy milk, and it's only Wednesday, and we don't usually do groceries until like Saturday or Sunday. I obviously am only trying to go once a week, but it is what it is. You know, with all these restrictions, we can't buy as much milk as we used to every week. So it's like, yes, the restrictions are good, but then they're also saying like try to go to the supermarket or out or to the shop as little as possible. It's like, yeah, but because of these restrictions, I actually have to go more than I normally would. But then I understand why there's restrictions. It's just like a big circle. Anyway, I'm gonna find a choc chip cookie recipe because there might be something in there that I need to buy as well because I don't make cookies ever. All right, I found a recipe that is very unhealthy and it reminded me that I actually do need to buy more plain flour. I feel so bad. Charlie thinks we're going for a walk because I put on my leggings. No, Dad, I'm sorry. We're not going for a walk. So sad. If you haven't seen it, Brett and I redid this room. I'll link it in the cards. You should go watch it. Always remember your bags. Alright, I'm gonna head out to the supermarket. I'm not gonna take my camera or film because it's just way too hectic and weird and I just don't like the vibe. So I'm not gonna film at the supermarket. So I'll see you guys when I get back. Alright, I'm back. Thought I'd do a grocery haul, be rude not to. A few of these things are to stock up the pantry, which is actually gonna be in hopefully the video after this. But I bought some cereal, a big bag of breadcrumbs, a bag of cashews, 2 packs of soy milk, a thing of plain flour, some tomato paste, and curry powder, which is something I haven't had in the house since I've moved out. And lastly, I got a thing of hot chocolate and a little shaker to put on like top of coffees and stuff because I've been wanting that, and I'm like, I've got like some money in my account that would normally be like my spending money, but I ain't going anywhere to spend stuff and I'm not really buying anything online. So I thought, why the heck not? It was only $6. I think I'm gonna put all this stuff away and then I'm gonna clean up from my breakfast and then I think I'm gonna make some cookies. Alright, so while that dough chills in the oven, chills in the fridge for the next 2 hours, I am gonna go do my workout. The one I'm doing today I think takes about a half an hour, and then I'll have some lunch.
Whatever it is, please, it never hits you. I've got a feeling love don't have to be the way you say it is. Well, gotta be that way with me. But I've only loved one man. I've got a hunch I'm never gonna feel no other kind of love.
I'm done, I'm sweaty, I'm hot, I'm red. That was really hard. It was actually 45 minutes, not half an hour, but anyway. I'm just gonna make myself some lunch, probably like a faux fish fillet and some salad probably, that's what I'm feeling like. And then I'll probably have a quick shower. I'm back. I'm in a proper outfit except for the Ugg boots, and I've put on like a big chunky sweater because I am cold and I haven't done the fire yet. I have to do it before Brett gets home because I told him I would. I told him I'd conquer it today, but I don't know. Anyway, I think the timer for the cookie dough is gonna go off any second now, so I'm gonna go get the kitchen ready. We can bake the cookies. I'm so excited. First batch is out of the oven and they're cooling. But what I'm gonna do now is I really wanna take like a nice Instagram photo with the cookies and a cup of coffee. So I'm gonna make a cup of coffee with my coffee machine and I'm gonna use a little chocolate shaker to make like chocolate stuff. And then hopefully right now I will pop up a picture of the Instagram photo that I've posted if it turns out good. I'm gonna sign off here for the day. It's now like almost 5 o'clock. I've literally been chopping wood, trying to chop wood for the past like hour, 45 minutes maybe. And it's getting dark and whatever, so I thought I'll just sign off here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and give me a comment down below. I will link below the workout that I did and the recipe for the cookies that I made. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.